Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. E to the power of f and 8 equals to capital 8. So capital 8 that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put the limit goal here. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we have the second formula in here. So capital 8 that is about this one. Capital B that is about 2 over s. And now we need to transform this one into this one. So when s approaches to number 0, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0, and number 1 you got number 0. So that is about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we have about number 5 over 1 plus 5x. This one we have number 1. Now we put number 0 cone here. And we have number 10. So that means the value of this one will go to number 10. And we have e to the power of 10. So this one we have e to the power of 10. That is the end. Thank you for watching.